Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the way I wrap wires or shrink wrap them. Alright. I've seen a lot of people that take the wires, they'll twist them, put a big piece of shrink wrap in. It's just very sloppy and you can pull them apart. So what I like to do, I like to take the wire, fan it open. First get my piece of shrink wrap on there. Put it on there like that. Fan it open. All right, take your other wire. Fan it open. All right. The more pickier you are, the better. See that? Not bad. All right, we're gonna take them, put them together like that. Take these and twist them around. Take your time. And if you really want to do it the proper way, you would take a little solder, a little flux, put it on there. Solder that puppy up. And now look on how smooth that fits right over. All right. Take the lighter. Hit that puppy like that. All right. And just repeat. What I'm thinking right here, this is for the windshield reservoir. You gotta put this on there. The hood was replaced. It's gonna get like a little fitting. Slide them on. You know, it should be fine. Maybe a little flex seal, a little tape around it. But yeah, you definitely need not a T-fitting, but definitely need a fitting in between. All right, I haven't seen people take shrink wrap and just shrink wrap them together. All right, I don't know how long that will be reliable, but yeah, do it right.